Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to scan QR code in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, simply just go ahead to this Terabox applications of course. And now in this Terabox, if you wanna scan QR code, just simply go ahead to this scan option at the top. And after, tap on this camera button at the bottom, yeah guys. And if you want to scan for the QR code, you just have to slide it to the right like this, and it will serve for the scan QR code. And yeah, this is the QR code that I mean. So if you want to scan it, you just have to adjusting for the QR code in this frame, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to scan QR code in Terabox on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.